Hi guys, welcome to my Body and Soul YouTube channel. And today I'm doing a full moon tarot card reading. It's an interactive reading, and I had asked you all to choose the A, B, C, and D pictures. So this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is D. Okay, so now I will be reading out the interpretations for the people who chose the pile number A. So I will pick this over here, the B, and then the C, and then I'm going to pick up the pile D over here. And now we have only the pile A in front of us. Now, the first question is, what is no longer serving you? So let's reveal the cards. What is no longer serving you? Okay, so the card which has come is the Hermit card, and what is no longer serving you is that you are trying to be you're trying to be a recluse, you're trying to be an introvert, and you're trying to be aloof, and you're not in a mood to socialize and interact with people. So that is not serving you as of now. So what the full moon is saying, that let go of these energies where you're keeping yourself aloof from the society or aloof from the family. So you need to not be an introvert, and be more social, and be more proactive, and interact with your friends and family and your peer, and that will help you more. Now the second question is, how can you release and let go this energy of being a recluse? So the next card is the Fool card. So the card is saying that you can release this energy by being more adventurous, by being more playful, by being more childlike, naive, innocent, and go for new beginnings, and go for adventure trips, and when you go and be out in the nature and be in a more happy spirit, be more childlike, then you will be able to release this energy. See, it's both the energies are contrasting energies. Here you are not, what is no longer serving you is being a recluse, and the card which has come is exactly the opposite of the Hermit energy and the Fool energy are two opposite energies. So you need to do what the Fool card is saying, that you be like a child and be more be more proactive, and be more sociable, and take risk, and go on, you can go on hikes, you can go on walk through the nature. That is really going to help you a lot. So this, and now let's see what is the message from the universe. Now these are very pretty cards, and this is from the Soul's Journey lesson cards, and I love this card. And this deck is by James Van Praagh, and the message that James Van Praagh's cards are giving you is acceptance. So the card says that I'm learning to accept the things that I cannot change. So you just accept things in your life, whatever is happening in your life right now. I don't know what is really going on in your life for the pile A people, but whatever is happening, just accept it, and just move on in life, and be in a happy spirit. And now this card is a crown chakra card, because this is a violet color energy that I'm seeing, and these petals also remind me of the crown chakra. So this card is advising you that you need to focus on meditation, and focus on even if you can sit for 2 minutes in silence and just look within, that with that energy only will connect you to the divine energy, or it will connect to your soul's energy, and that will really benefit you. So pile A reading is done. Now let's move to the pile B. So the pile B, so let's see what is there for the pile B people. And the first question was, what is no longer serving you? So let's see what card says what is no longer serving you. So पाइल बी वालों के लिए एडवाइस है कि लड़ाई झगड़ा ना करें, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ना करें, और कॉन्फ्लिक्ट और लड़ाई से दूर रहें. स्टे अवे फ्रॉम फाइट, स्टे अवे फ्रॉम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स. That is not no longer serving you. So avoid unnecessary arguments. Do not get into any panga. Do not get in any kind of conflict with your peers, with your co-workers, with your family members or brothers or sisters. Stay away from ladai jhagda. That's what the card is saying. That is not serving you. If you're doing it, you need to stop doing that. So let's see how can you release and let go of this energy. So for this, the Two of Wands has come, and this card is saying that you need a change of scenery. You need to go and take a holiday and be in nature, so that you get a change of scene, and whatever is जो भी scene आपके घर में चल रहा है उस scene से आप अलग हो जाइए. आप अगर घर में आपके fights वगैरह ज़्यादा हो रही है किसी की वजह से, तो it's better that you change a place, go out, take a holiday, take a short trip, so that monotony and that routine से आप अलग हो जाएंगे. तो ये जो conflict हो रहा है ये होना बंद हो जाएगा, and you will be able to release your problems, issues and arguments with people around you. Now देखते हैं सोल्स जर्नी का कार्ड आपको क्या एडवाइस दे रहा है. सो इट इज सेइंग चेंज. देखिए यहाँ मैंने बोला चेंज ऑफ सीनरी, एंड द कार्ड ऑल्सो विच इज कम इज चेंज. सेक्रल चक्र का कार्ड है. सो द कार्ड सेज आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट नथिंग कैन ग्रो और इवॉल्व विदाउट मूवमेंट. तो मूवमेंट की ज़रूरत है आपकी लाइफ में. ट्रैवल करिए, पैक योर बैग्स एंड मेक अ शॉर्ट ट्रिप. दैट विल मेक यू मोर क्रिएटिव एंड यू नो इट विल मेक यू मोर प्रोएक्टिव, एंड आप असर्टिव भी बन जाओगे. तो थोड़ा सा मूवमेंट आपकी लाइफ में ज़रूरी है. यही मैसेज है आपके लिए यूनिवर्स से. एंड फोकस ऑन the sacral chakra, so try to have more of orange juice, and also on the throat chakra also. So अगर हो सके तो आप लेपिस lazuli का या तो ब्रेसलेट पहन लीजिए या लेपिस lazuli को हाथ में पकड़ के मेडिटेट करिए. That will open up your whole throat chakra, and you will be able to express yourself freely. Throat chakra and the sacral chakra are connected, so both the chakras need to be focused on. So pile B, the reading is done. Now we will go to pile number C. So pile number C, let's see what is no longer serving you. So what is no longer serving you कि आपकी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा I can see कि आप बहुत जगल कर रहे हो, multitasking कर रहे हो. You are multitasking a lot. You have too much on your hand. That is no longer serving you. Try to get out of this mess that is creating a juggling effect in your life. So उससे थोड़ा सा आप अपने आप को try to detach yourself or change your routine so that you break this cycle of juggling. Now let's see how you can do. So उसके लिए judgment card आया है, तो that means कि time आ गया है कि that you focus on your inner voice, and when you focus on your inner voice you will get the answers what you need to do to release this mess that you are in right now. So उससे आप बाहर निकलेंगे जब आप अपनी अंदर की आवाज़ को सुनेंगे, तो आपको आंसर खुद ही मिल जाएगा. देखते हैं सोल्स जर्नी वाला कार्ड आपको क्या कर रहा है एडवाइस. डाउट. आई रिलीज द नीड टू नो ऑल द आंसर्स. सो डाउट एनर्जी को आप बाहर निकाल के फेंक दीजिए. यूनिवर्स यही बोल रहा है, और हार्ट चक्रा पे फोकस करिए. दिस कार्ड इज अबाउट हार्ट चक्रा, एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन आस्क फॉर सम हीलिंग दैट विल ऑल्सो बेनिफिट यू अ लॉट. सो पाइल सी इज डन. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द पाइल डी. People who chose pile D, what is no longer serving you is your tendency to be a curious Tom, your tendency to be very argumentative. बिना बात के बहस करना, ये चीज़ आपके फ़ायदे में नहीं है, आपके हित में नहीं है, तो आप ये चीज़ों को अवॉइड करो. दिस इज़ नो लॉन्गर सर्विंग यू. दिस कैन लीड यू इनटू कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एंड आर्ग्यूमेंट्स. अब how can you do that? Again, the Knight of Swords has come. My God, this is hilarious. तो कैसे कर सकते हैं, उसके लिए आया है कि थोड़ा सा मैं इसको रिवर्स में रीड करूंगी. आई एम गेटिंग द मैसेज ऑफ रिवर्स कार्ड कि हाउ कैन यू रिलीज इज दैट अवॉइड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स एंड आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, स्टे अवे फ्रॉम फाइट्स एंड स्टे एंड अवॉइड बीइंग इम्पल्सिव एंड रैश. इस जब आप ये सब चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखेंगे तो आप इस सिचुएशन से बाहर आ जाएंगे और आप उसको रिलीज कर देंगे, जो कि जिसकी वजह से आपकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, समस्या आ रही है, या आपको लेट गो करना मुश्किल हो रहा है, या आपको उस चीज़ से ब्लॉक हो रहा है. सो लेट्स सी सोल्स जर्नी कार्ड क्या बोल रहा है. देखिए, कार्ड आया बैलेंस. I bring a state of perfect harmony into my world and I do without judgment. So the card is again about crown chakra and also of heart chakra. So आपको crown and heart में balance लाना है, तो I will suggest do twin heart meditation. That will balance you. That will also kind of align your energies, and you will not be in a state where it will lead to fights and arguments और बेमतलब की बहस. तो ये चीज़ों को अवॉइड करने के लिए आप ट्विन हार्ट मेडिटेशन करिए. अगर आपको उसका लिंक चाहिए तो यू कैन पिंग मी पर्सनली. पीपल हु चोज पाइल नंबर डी, दे मस्ट मेडिटेट ऑन ट्विन हार्ट मेडिटेशन एंड द लिंक इज मेरे पास है वो लिंक. अगर आप लोग करना चाहेंगे तो आप मुझे पर्सनली पिंग करो. आई विल सेंड यू द लिंक ऑफ द ट्विन हार्ट मेडिटेशन. If this reading resonated with all of you, please do drop your comments below and do share and subscribe my video. Thank you so much. Love and infinite blessings to all of you.